Welcome students to class today on this Wednesday the 12th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to do some homework today. We're not going to take any notes, but we are going to do a lot of homework, okay? So please work hard and don't just sit there. And we're going to discuss later how I'm going to make sure that you don't do that. So please be ready to work hard today. You will have a quiz on Friday. I will give that information to you tomorrow about what will be in the quiz on Friday. Okay, quiz on Friday. You have nothing to turn in. We did not do homework yesterday, so there's nothing to turn in. If you come into class after missing a day or two or three or four or whatever, and you're not caught up, you will have to do whatever we're doing in class that day, okay? So if you walk in and we're taking a quiz that day, you will take the quiz or test or whatever, okay? And here's why, guys. I'm not being mean about this. It's just that there's nothing, think about it. There's nothing that we do in class that you can't do at home. Nothing. Mr. Hamill might answer some questions occasionally about math, but the help video is there for you to use if he's not there. And so there's no reason for you to not be caught up. Okay, guys? All right. Incompletes. Here we go. Jordan, I've given you this extra week to get your test corrections in, so if they're not turned in by Friday, you will have a 0 on those, so please keep that in mind. This assignment here was given last Thursday. I have not got it yet from Jaden, Jordan, and Jordan, so if it's not turned in by Friday, guys, it will be a 0. Quiz. Sarah, Anna, Libby, Katie, this must be taken by Friday or it will be a 0, and please don't forget that you have another quiz on Friday, okay? So keep all of that in mind. This assignment here was given on Friday. Okay, I did not get it from Jaden, Jordan, Brandon, Sarah, or Jaron. Okay, now if I'm wrong on any of this, let me know. So be sure and get this to me. And please don't be offended, Jaden, Jordan, Brandon, and Jaron. I'm not saying that you guys do this all the time, but Sarah, you never miss homework. So if somehow I made a mistake and you turned it in or whatever, let me know. But I did not see it in the stack, okay? Anyways, these are all due by Friday or they will turn to 0s, okay? Alright, moving on. And by the way, I'm going to say something I've never said all year. When I was an on-site teacher, and Mr. Hamill needs to know this too, I never let students turn homework in at the end of the week. And that's really a joke, to be honest with you. So please don't think that I normally would do that. It's just because I'm not there. I just kind of lighten up a little and give you a longer deadline. But when I was at Tennessee Temple, it was due the very next day, or you couldn't turn it in later. That's just how it was. So, but anyways, please take advantage of my allowing you to do that and get these turned in by Friday. Okay. All right, moving on here. We're going to work on homework today, and then we're going to work on some review problems. So it's pretty much going to be an easy day. But here's the problem: don't interpret easy as doing nothing. Okay. Be thankful for days like this, guys. Instead of taking advantage of them and saying, oh, I'm going to sleep or put my head down or talk or goof off. Instead of that, be thankful. 5 of you guys, I don't know if any of you ladies play basketball or not. Sorry, I don't know. I know 5 guys do, I believe. Let's see, Jaden, Jordan, Jabari, Brandon. There's 5. There was no homework last night for you in this class. Now, I didn't do that because there was a game, so I'm not saying that, but be thankful, guys. Now come in today and work on your homework, okay? And get it done. The homework for today is this right here. Go ahead and copy this down, please. That's part of your homework. We have a lot more you're going to do than that, okay? And you're saying, well, Mr. Earhart, today's Wednesday. I know, but the entire help video for this is about 11 minutes. That's with me explaining it. Okay, this assignment will not take long, okay? And so I'm going to add some more stuff to this in just a second, okay? So I want you to do this in class today. Okay, moving on. And I want you to turn to page 706. Write this down, please. Copy postulates 12 through 14. Those are the ones you've learned so far in chapter 5. Just one time. Just one time. Copy them one time. And then turn to page 708 and copy these theorems, 5.1 and 5.2, one time. Okay? I'm going to pause while you copy that down. Okay? Go ahead and copy that down. And I know you're not going to like this. I was talking to one of my students at church the other night there in the room, and I said, I don't like geometry either. To be honest, guys, out of pre-calculus, algebras, and geometry, this is my by far most my unfavorite class to teach, but it has to be taught. Okay, and so postulates and theorems and corollaries and definitions are all part of it. So copy all of these one time each. All right. Okay, let's continue on. I would like your homework turned in today before you leave. Listen to this, or I will not give you credit, nor will you be allowed to make it up. The only people that can make this up are those that are not there today, that are absent. Okay, this will be done before you leave the room. Remember, don't forget the help video alone is 11 minutes. There's absolutely no reason why anyone in the class cannot finish this in class today, and this. So all of this will be turned in today before you leave. If not, then turn in what you got done. I'll give you a 50 or an 80 or a 70 or a 90 or however much percentage of it you got done, okay? But this needs to be turned in before you leave, okay? All right, let's continue on. The help video is lesson 5.4 homework. Okay, so there's the help video. I'm not sure if Mr. Hamill pulls that up. Sometimes I think he just answers your questions for you, but either way, there's the help video for those that need it, okay? And like I said before, it's only about 11 minutes long, okay? 11 minutes and 53 seconds, so that's taken care of there. After you have completed your homework, now listen to this. After you've completed your homework and turned it in, so you give it to Mr. Hamill, turn to page 683 and do the entire page. I would also like this assignment to be turned in. Now listen to this. But if you don't complete it, that's fine. I just want what you to get done in class today. If you get half of it done, no problem. This is going to, by the way, one of you basketball players will not be playing next week if your grades don't come up this week. This grade checks are next week. Now, I get no pleasure in that. I'm just telling you. And the reason is you have about, I don't know how many zeros in your homework slots. So tons of them. That's the reason why, to be honest with you. So this is a chance to get a couple 100s here. Okay? Now listen. Mr. Hamill, please listen carefully. It's your call. I hate to put the pressure on you, but if you email me with any student who is not working hard, then I'm going to lower their grade on this assignment right here. Because if you are goofing off during this assignment here, the one you should probably have done in 15 or 20 minutes, and because you goof off, you only have about 10 minutes left to work on this assignment, then I'm going to lower this grade right down here for not doing enough of it. So Mr. Hamill, if anyone is, and I'm not asking you guys to not put your head up and not look around the room. I'm just saying be reasonable and work hard. Okay, that's all I'm asking for, guys. Okay, I'm giving you a chance to review. Be thankful for days like this. Okay, I'm not ramming and jamming and pushing ahead and throwing more notes at you and stuff like that, and then giving you 2 homework assignments tomorrow and saying, okay, no homework on Wednesday, so we'll do 2 assignments on Thursday. I'm not doing that. Okay, so take advantage of today and get your work done. I hope all this makes sense. If there's any confusion, Mr. Hamill, don't hesitate to call me right there during class. Okay, just call me and ask me if there's any confusion on this. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Yep, have a good day today. Get this stuff done and turned in, and I will talk to you guys on, what is today? Wednesday. I will talk to you guys on Thursday.